Mastering the Process Debug tool. We all know the traditional way of debugging a process, using execute steps or execute steps with dialog. And it works, but it can be slow and a bit cumbersome. In this video, we are introducing a much better way to debug. The Process Debug tool. Built right into the process editor. It's intuitive, faster, and lets you build and debug in one place without switching screens. Imagine you're building a complex end-to-end process, but some steps keep failing. Instead of running those steps or the entire process repeatedly, process debugging lets you run just the specific step or set of steps right inside the editor. You can instantly watch what happens in your application, spot what's wrong, and fix it right on the spot. Inside the process editor, you'll find two key areas. Debug toolbar, at the top of the Steps tab. Debug details panel, just below the Steps tab. The debug toolbar looks a lot like the old execution dialog and includes everything you need. Run, step, skip, pause, reset, settings, stop pause on failure, fail threshold, step delay. To add the debug status column, right-click on the column header and select Customize Columns. From the Hidden Columns list, choose the debug status column and click Show. You can then arrange the column order according to your preference and click OK to apply the changes. Before you start debugging, arrange the application under Test and the Process Editor side by side. Then click Run on the Process Debug toolbar. If the process editor is minimized or disappears during execution, simply restore it by clicking the Certify icon on the Windows taskbar. As you debug, keep an eye on the Debug Status column. It gives you instant visual feedback: passed, failed, skip. And the Debug Details panel gives you deep insight into what's happening under the hood. Here's what you'll find. Step Debug Details. Click any step to get advanced troubleshooting info. Watch variables. Track variable values as the process runs. You can even manually edit values to test behavior changes. Breakpoints. See all your breakpoints in one place. Perfect for pausing execution exactly where you need to inspect. Step variables. A focused view showing data related only to the selected step. Pro tips for power users. Data selection. In the Record Set tab, right-click any row and select Set Data Pointer. The debugger will use that specific row immediately for execution. Precision control. Right-click any step to add a breakpoint. Your execution will pause at that exact spot every time. Step delay. If your app is slower than your automation steps, add a step delay from the debugger settings. This fixes timing issues during the debugging without changing your process steps. Process debugging streamlines test automation by letting you test and refine steps directly in the process editor. With tools like breakpoints, watch variables, and real-time data views, it speeds up troubleshooting and helps you fix issues faster. Thank you. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please visit us on YouTube and LinkedIn.